Unpolished Plus is an acetone-free gel acrylic and dip powder nail remover. This product is brand new from Seaweed Gel. It's fast-acting, time-saving, and compatible with any nail brand. Let's remove gel polish first. Begin by lightly filing your nails to break the nail product seal. Cover your nails completely with Unpolished Plus. Avoid all skin contact and apply in a well-ventilated area. Let soak for 4 to 5 minutes. Pro tip, use a lint-free wipe with alcohol to wipe off any excess Unpolished Plus before pushing off any softened product or sanding. Use a cuticle pusher to gently remove softened product, then use a buffer to remove any remaining product. Repeat if necessary. Finish by washing hands with soap and water, then moisturize. For dip powder, repeat the same steps. Remember, you can reapply the product to continue to break down the dip powder if needed. Unpolished Plus quickly removes acrylic as well. Just follow the same steps as before for an easy removal process. Elevate your nail care routine with Unpolished Plus. Try it today.